5G is really the next the next step in really efficient mobile data networks. And the key characteristics of 5G when comparing to 4G or 3G is firstly the throughput on the network is much, much faster, roughly 10 times as fast as 3G. Secondly, the 5G network can handle a lot more connected devices over the same geographic area, particularly important for Internet of Things, sensors. And the third key characteristic is what's called latency. And latency is really measuring how fast a signal goes to the core network and bounces back again. So a 3G network or a 4G network can be fast, but you might not be able to use it, for example, for something like a remote surgery, because that really needs the latency. So we're very excited about the technology, but of course we need to make sure that we still invest in the technologies that our customers are using today. And in the African markets, we still have many customers with 2G handsets, many customers with 3G handsets. Only about 10% of our customers have 4G handsets across our 21 markets. So I guess our challenge as someone that's investing in this infrastructure is how do we sustain the world of today and make sure we're still investing in 3G and 4G, but also make sure that we are innovative and progressive so that as 5G starts to scale across the continent, as 5G handsets, 5G devices start to come into the markets, that MTN is ready with the networks for 5G. Challenges in deploying, it's expensive to deploy, that's a challenge. But one of the big challenges is spectrum or radio frequencies. And this is essentially because all of the network traffic that is moving between the customer's handset and the tower is running on a band of frequency. And these frequency bands that we're using today are pretty much full of 2G, 3G, and 4G traffic. And 5G needs a lot more spectrum, big allocations. So one of the big challenges that we need to overcome in the next few years is really working with our regulators, our host countries, our partners, our technology partners, to make sure that we've got the right frequencies and spectrum to build the 5G networks of the future.